Today, I'm taking you through my honest review of Brightway Insurance. This company works as a franchise-based insurance provider that partners with multiple carriers, giving customers access to a variety of policy options for auto, home, renters, flood, and business coverage. The first thing you notice when using their website is the emphasis on local agents. Brightway connects you with an agent near your area instead of having you rely only on a centralized online system. For some, this is a major benefit as it gives a personal touch, but for others, it can feel inconvenient compared to insurers that allow quick online quotes and policy management. When exploring auto insurance, Brightway pulls from different carriers to find rates, but the process isn't instant. You need to provide your details and then wait for an agent to respond, which can be slower than direct-to-consumer insurance websites that show you quotes immediately. The home insurance side has the same structure, offering multiple policy options depending on your region and the carriers Brightway partners with. It can be helpful if you're in a state with limited insurance options, but the experience can vary widely based on the agent you get connected to. One thing that stood out in my experience was the level of customer service. Some Brightway offices are highly responsive, providing personalized attention and clear explanations of coverage. However, reviews online show that customer satisfaction depends heavily on the local franchise. This lack of consistency can be frustrating because while some users rave about their helpful agents, others complain about unreturned calls, difficulty in managing claims, or feeling pushed towards certain policies. Claims handling is another area where Brightway's model creates mixed results. Since they work with multiple carriers, Brightway isn't directly responsible for paying claims. The insurance company behind your policy handles that part. This can be confusing if you're used to dealing with a single provider. Some users feel caught in the middle between the Brightway agent and the actual carrier, especially during stressful claim situations. Pricing with Brightway Insurance can be competitive since they shop around with different carriers. In my case, the quotes I received for auto insurance were slightly lower than going directly to a well-known carrier, but the trade-off was the slower process of getting information. Home insurance rates were average, but I appreciated that Brightway was able to offer several carrier options I wouldn't have found on my own. The Brightway website itself is straightforward but basic. It doesn't offer advanced online tools, claim tracking, or mobile app features like larger insurers. Instead, it relies on the personal relationship with the agent. For tech-savvy customers who want everything handled digitally, this may feel outdated. For customers who prefer human interaction, the model may be a welcome change. Overall, Brightway Insurance has both advantages and drawbacks. On the positive side, you get access to multiple carriers, local agent support, and potentially competitive pricing. On the negative side, the user experience is inconsistent, the claims process can be confusing, and the lack of modern online tools may frustrate some customers. My honest impression is that Brightway Insurance works best for people who value personal agent relationships and don't mind a slower, more traditional process. If you want instant quotes and easy online management, other providers may be a better fit. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and share your own experience with Brightway Insurance in the comments below.